my channel. I'm Beauty by DeeDee. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video, I'm super excited to be doing a review. But before we get any further in this review, I want you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button, which is free, which is right here. And also hit the notification button because you will never miss an upload from me. And I'm Beauty by DeeDee, and let's go ahead and get started. So today, I actually went to TJ Maxx, and I got a couple of things. And when I went into TJ Maxx, I picked up this e.l.f. Mad for Matte palette. So this is the Mad for Matte palette, and this is their, I think this one is in Holy Smokes, and this is one of their newest eyeshadow palettes. I was gonna go get the I think it's the 18 one, if I'm not mistaken. I have it listed in a video, but I was gonna get that one, but I still can't find it, so I may have to purchase it on the store. So these are all of your mattes. Okay, so you have a nice cream white, a gray, a nice light brown, a good transition color, which I am very much super excited to test out. Then you have some other brown shades, and you have like two blues, and you have a gray, and you have a dark gray. And I'm kind of bummed because one of the shadows already look like it kind of like been a little messed up. But I guess, I don't know, the shadow's broken, I don't know. But we're gonna go ahead and review it. And I also got two other eyeshadow palettes. I got the e.l.f. Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette, Island Breeze. And I also have the Velvet Touch eyeshadow palette, Cool Mist. But these will be a separate video, so be on the lookout for that. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So with the shadows itself, this is a smoky palette. If you're a smoky girl, you're gonna love it. And of course, if you're a matte girl, you get best of both worlds. You get matte and smoky at the same time. The packaging looks really nice. It looks very real professional. e.l.f. has really, over the years, really increased their eyeshadow palettes and also their brand itself. And also with the logo, I love their new font of the logo. It's just so amazing to me. Like, I just love it. So I already have my eyes primed and everything with the transition color. I really love a good transition color, you guys. I love a nice strong, like when I say strong transition color that's gonna pop and everything. And as a mirror, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. translucent mattifying powder as a mirror. Pretty large. So I'm just going to take that transition color. A lot of kick up comes from the palette itself, you guys, so be mindful. So once you apply the eyeshadow onto the brush, pop off major excess, and I'm just going to apply it to the crease. Okay, pigmentation is already coming about, like right there. You see that? Like, that's pigmented. Not too bad. This is that perfect brown, like that perfect brown. Which I am already seeing heck yeah to. So I'm gonna go and use the other side really quickly. I really don't want this look to be too cool because of the palette is too cool, which I really love a cool palette, don't get me wrong. But I really don't want it to be too cool. I want it like be kind of smoked out and everything, but not too dramatically cool. So now I'm just gonna take this gray from the palette, and then I'm going to apply it under the brown that we used. Okay, these eyeshadows are really, really buttery. Like, they feel amazing. And on the back of the palette itself, they really recommend you to apply these. Apply dry all over the eyelid with your favorite e.l.f. eyeshadow brush for a subtle wash of color, or apply wet for a vibrant effect. Ew, so you can use wet or both, but I'm more concerned of a dry look today, so I may do wet another video, but I'm more concerned on a dry look. Gray into the crease. Alright, so we got the gray in the crease, which is pretty good. I can say it's a gray, but it's a good gray. It's a matte, and also not only it's a good gray, it doesn't look muddy, because you know, like some gray eyeshadows, they be tripping. Okay, and we don't want that. We don't want that at all. Alright, so I'm gonna be cutting the crease, and I'm gonna cut the crease with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I have e.l.f. concealers, but I have to dig down in my collection to get it, and this was the only thing that was on my vanity as of now. So I'm just gonna take the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop really quickly. You guys see my new phone case? I love it. So I'm just gonna take the NYX. Translucent powder, you guys, and I just realized I have an e.l.f. translucent powder in front of me, so we're gonna use this today to set the concealer to see how the eyes do. Normally I would do this, but then again I don't. I've been in my little mood swings where if I should do it or not, you know, setting. But since we're talking about e.l.f. today, let's go all out, people. Let's go all out. Alrighty. Going in with this e.l.f. Professional eyeshadow brush. And I don't know, like, it's okay. So the palette is really a cool palette. Like, it's smoky. So I kind of am gonna, you know, probably use this like tealish blue here. I don't know, because I just did a blue look on Instagram. But y'all remember when my channel used to be DeeDee Loves e.l.f. 91 back in the day, like old school. So I'm just gonna take that teal color and pack it onto the lid. It's pretty good. I'm gonna keep some color, some space there so I can add another color. Woo! Alright, I think I'm going to add some of this gray, you know, some of this gray, and see, like right here, add some gray. Put some more very silver, like, so add silver. Should have said silver. I feel like my outer V needs some more attention. smoky as possible, you know, because you can see the difference. And once it'll turn out even better once I apply eyeliner and everything else. Alrighty. Okay. Huh? Alright, so now that I have the eyeshadows on, it looks pretty good, like pretty good, but in my opinion, like, I really don't like a smoky look. To be honest, I like more of a bright, colorful, in my opinion. Like, I wish I would have had like a green to top it off, you know, give it a pop. But it's a really good eyeshadow palette, don't get me wrong. But I would give this eyeshadow palette a 10, in my opinion, though. Okay, it's getting there. Now we're getting to look somewhere. Add a little bit of life. Alrighty. It's the blackest eyeliner ever. And I'm gonna apply it to the eyes.